In this video, I am going to try something different. I'm just simply going to provide you with some measurements, and then you can see if you can figure out the individual riser height and the individual stair tread depth. And I know this is a little difficult, but in reality, just simply divide a few numbers into your total rise. And that's going to be the measurement between levels, between the lower level and the upper level, until you come to a measurement that you like for your riser. And most of the time, a good measurement is going to be between 7 and 7.5 inches with a 10-inch or an 11-inch tread. And don't forget to leave a comment in the comment area if this is something that actually helped you. And thanks for watching.